the Kindergarten 1 of Lalo Christian Academy, we thank everyone who has been part of our journey this year. We thank God for His love, guidance, and a gift of learning and friendship. To our teachers, thank you for your support and making this year special. To our parents, thank you for your love and encouragement. To the administrators and staff, thank you for creating a safe, nurturing environment. As we move forward, we carry the lessons and memories from Lalo Christian Academy. Thank you and God bless.